Hello, everyone, or whoever is doing this problem. Let's go ahead and take a look at, in 1985, there were 285 cell phones. They're increasing by 75% per year. Anytime something's increasing by a percent, we are talking about an exponential relationship. And since this is growing, I automatically know I'm going to use the exponential growth relationship, which is a times 1 plus our growth rate to the x power. I can tell that's an exponential relationship because the variable is in the exponent. A is our starting value, and R is our growth rate. So I'm going to put R as, in this particular, 0.75, 75%, right? And our starting value is 285. Okay. Now, you could create this equation. It would be a lot faster and solve this for how many people had cell phones in 1994. You could create a table. There's many different ways to do this. X is the year. You should have your variables defined already. And Y is the number of cell phone subscribers, right? Okay, so feel free to do that. One thing, the reason I wanted to start this table was so that you realize the first year is 1985, but in our relationship, we call that year 0, okay? So if I wanted to find out how many people were subscribing in 1985, I would follow me up to the top. For X right here, right, I would put 0, right? I wouldn't put 1985. That's not going to get us a good number, okay? So when we're talking about 1994, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's going to actually be, 1986 is going to be year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4, year 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Year 9 is going to be, 1994. Okay, so you can make the table. You could do that. Every year it's growing at 75%. Or you could do just what I said. You create your equation. This is going to be the easier way to do it. Y equals our starting value, which is 285, parenthesis, 1 plus 0.75, or just 1.75, right? And if I want to know 1994, then instead of X, I put 9, okay? And then if you just type that into your calculadora, okay? On the regular screen, if there had been an X here, we'd put it in Y equals and graph it. But we already know what X value you want, so all you have to do is 285, parenthesis, 1.75 to the power of 9. Oops, sorry guys. To the power of 9. Hit enter, and that should give you the correct answer. Fill in your complete sentence answer, and then justify that or explain how you came up with that.